A negative credit card balance occurs when the credit card issuer owes you money, which is usually the result of a refund or credit that exceeds your current balance. To understand why your credit card balance is showing negative, let's break down the process step by step. First, it's essential to review your credit card statement to identify the transactions that led to the negative balance. Look for any refunds, credits, or reversals that may have caused the balance to become negative. Next, verify the accuracy of the transactions by checking the dates, amounts, and descriptions of each transaction. If you notice any errors or discrepancies, contact your credit card issuer to report the issue and request a correction. In some cases, a negative balance may occur due to a merchant refund or a credit card reward redemption. For example, if you returned a purchase and the merchant issued a refund to your credit card, the refund amount may exceed your current balance, resulting in a negative balance. To fix a negative credit card balance, you don't need to take any immediate action. The credit card issuer will typically apply the negative balance to your next purchase or statement, effectively using the owed amount as a credit towards your future transactions. However, if you want to receive the negative balance as a refund, you can contact your credit card issuer and request a refund. Keep in mind that the issuer may have specific policies or procedures for handling negative balances, so it's essential to review your card agreement or contact customer support for guidance. Best practices for managing a negative credit card balance include regularly reviewing your statement, reporting any errors or discrepancies, and understanding your credit card issuer's policies on handling negative balances. By following these steps and staying informed, you can effectively manage a negative credit card balance and avoid any potential issues or confusion.